Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have made it. It is Friday and I am so happy. Oh my goodness, it was a long, when I say long week, oh my goodness. So I'm on my way. Well, first of all, I feel like I have not done a car vlog with you guys in a long time. I love talking to you guys when I'm driving or doing what I gotta do. Right now I am on my way to the post office. I have to drop off some packages that got purchased last night on my Poshmark. So if it was any of you guys, thank you, shout outs to you. So I'm on my way to drop that stuff off because I like to ship the next day or the same day most of the time. And then after that, I have to go to Target because I need some washing powder. I want to do some cleaning today. I usually wash clothes on Sunday, but I think I'm going to just go ahead and tackle that today and do a few other things around the house. So I'm just doing some cleaning. What I was going to talk to you guys about was, have you seen, oh my goodness, have you seen or heard about the new Halloween food products? Mainly, where am I thinking of? Mainly Burger King. You guys, Burger King has a new burger that is called, what is it called? The Nightmare Burger or something like that. And so basically, okay, so last year, you guys remember I tried the burger that was the black burger or something like that, and it had the black bun or whatever, but it was just a black Whopper, and it just had, the bun was black. So that was last year, and now this year is the Nightmare Burger, and the bun is supposed to be green, and then it's supposed to be a charbroiled patty, as well as a chicken patty and some other stuff. And what I was reading was that it's supposed to induce nightmares. Why would I want to eat anything that's going to bring on some nightmares? I don't even like nightmares when I have a regular nightmare, and that's very, very, very rare. I mean, I don't know. I don't think I've really had nightmares. There may have been a time or two where I was dreaming that something was chasing me or something like that. Yeah, or something like that. But let me take this off the thing because the sun just got bright and I just parked. Hold on. Okay, I had to take the camera off because the sun is super bright, and I just pulled into the parking lot at the post office. But yeah, why would you want to eat a burger that induces, they did some study or whatever, and it's supposed to induce nightmares? I'm sorry, I don't want it. So you guys know I usually do my food reviews or whatever. I was thinking about trying that, but then I was like, I normally wouldn't want a burger with the chicken and a burger, I mean a beef patty and a chicken patty on the same burger with green bread. I'm just not here for it. They also had a black slushy, a black Fanta slushy, which was interesting. But the last time I went to my Burger King, which was I think a few weeks ago, they had actually closed and was doing renovation or something, so I wasn't able to get the slushy, and I guess it just wasn't meant to be, so I didn't get to try the black slushy. So yeah, I don't think I'll be trying that nightmare induced burger that they're selling. But then also this morning I saw Starbucks. Okay, so last year I tried their zombie not slushy, their zombie frappuccino, or yeah, that's what it was. And it was okay. It wasn't nothing all fantastic or anything. But this year they have what was it called? Oh, this year they're doing a witch's brew, and it looks really, really interesting. I'm not too sure if I'm going to try it or not. I may, if I just stumble into, because you know what, there is a Starbucks inside of Target, but I do know that all Starbucks, if they don't have the ingredients for like their holiday fraps, then they can't make it. So if I walk inside a Starbucks and they actually say they have the ingredients, I may try the witch's brew. But I'm not really rushing to go really try and taste it, because I haven't really liked any of the holiday ones. The flavors just are kind of weird to me. But we'll see. And I was interested though. Japan has their Starbucks where they're doing their own thing, and I thought it was cool. Their holiday frappuccinos have like an apple base. Oh my god, they look so good. I'm like, okay, can we try that over here? Because I definitely would try that. So I don't know if I'm gonna try Starbucks or not. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm gonna quit running my mouth. Let me go in here and take these packages, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm done in the post office, and I am on my way now to Target to get a few of the items that I mentioned. Let me crack my window. That's probably why I don't vlog in the car too much, huh? I just thought about it. Because when I'm talking to you guys, where the camera is mounted at, if I turn on the AC, it's going to blow right into the back of the camera. And then if I roll my windows down, then it gets too loud, but it's hot. So yeah, so I crack my windows. Hopefully it doesn't get too loud for you guys. I'm at a red light, so we'll see. But you know, I've been posting pictures of some stuff that I have found at Goodwill on my Instagram, and I've noticed, you guys, I caught myself going, I think was it last weekend, I caught myself going thrifting or going into some thrift stores on the weekend. I literally turned around and had to walk up out of there. Oh my goodness, it is so busy on the weekends. And I don't know if your Goodwills are like the ones out here. To me, the ones out here are kind of small, so it be packed in there, and then it be long lines. And so I just can't do the weekends. I can't do the weekends. Now I plan on, it's Friday, if I can make it into one later today, I will. I have to take the kids to a football game later at around 6:30, and it's kind of way, it's up north from where we live at. So if I can, when I'm up that way, this car just pulled out in front of me and, you know, merging into traffic, and was only doing like 5 miles per hour. I don't be understanding it, y'all. Because when you merge into traffic, you need to, you know, pick up the speed, you know. So anyways, yeah, so when I go head up that way, maybe if I can locate like another thrift store up that way, since I'm not used to being up that way, I'll stop and see if I can look. But if it gets crowded, I'll have to turn around and walk away. But I've been finding some really, really cool stuff. So a lot of times, like I said, I don't do videos for you know, like all my hauls and stuff like that. So if you are interested in seeing some of the stuff that I find at the thrift store, it will be in my Poshmark closet. So yeah, but other than that, not much has been going on. I'm excited for Christmas. I'm excited for, you know, the holidays that's coming. A lot of people, when I've been going into some of the stores and looking at Christmas stuff, they keep hitting me with, well, what happened to Halloween? Because I just kind of bypass Halloween. I don't really care for Halloween that much. Like with the decor and everything, I have a little bit up in my background at home, but I don't know. I prefer Christmas. So as soon as I see some Christmas stuff, I'm on it. Like, I want to look at it. I want to see it. It's so pretty. It just puts me in a good mood. I just love Christmas decor. I like Halloween because it's, you know, always been something that you do since you were little, you know. But my mom didn't even decorate for Halloween or nothing like that either. So I can just bypass it. And then all of the fall stuff, I mean, I pretty much looked at all of that. So I think now it's time for Christmas. And that is it, you guys. I just wanted to come and talk to you for a minute since it's Friday, and I won't be filming inside of Target or anything. If I do see anything that I really, really like, I'll pick it up and maybe do a haul tomorrow or something like that. But I can't guarantee that because I'm really not going in there to look for anything. But we always say that, don't we? Then you get in Target and it's like you just get sucked into this portal and your brain just is just gone. And then everything you see is like, oh, I want that. Oh, I want that. It's just horrible. So I'm gonna try to put my tunnel vision on, and like my you know how horses wear them blinders like this, I'm gonna try to put mine on and get to the laundry detergent, some trash bags, and the other couple little things that I need to get, and hopefully I can get in there and get out. But if I do see some other stuff, maybe I'll go back tomorrow and film for you guys. So I hope you guys all have a beautiful Friday. It is like, my thing in my car says 85 degrees out here. I wish it was cold, but it's not. But I hope you guys all have a beautiful Friday, a beautiful weekend, and I will talk to you guys real soon in another video. Bye.